Welcome to Shining Kiddos.
Let's learn and shine together.
Hello friends! Today we'll explore exciting individual ball games like table tennis, croquet, pickleball, and bocce. Every game has its own unique ball and fun way to play. Let's get started and learn something new. Tennis ball. This is a tennis ball. It is soft, light, and covered with fuzzy felt. Players hit it back and forth with a tennis racket. The goal is to land the ball inside the court. Table tennis ball. This is a table tennis ball. It is small, lightweight, and made of plastic. Players hit it across a table using paddles. Quick reflexes help keep the ball in play. Pelota ball, Alai. This is a pelota ball. It is small, hard, and moves at very high speed. Players throw and catch it using a curved cesta. Quick reactions are important in this exciting sport. Golf ball. This is a golf ball. It has tiny dimples that help it fly farther. Players hit it with golf clubs toward a hole. The winner uses the fewest strokes. Bowling ball. This is a bowling ball. It is heavy and has finger holes for gripping. Players roll it down the lane toward the pins. Knocking down more pins earns more points. Billiard ball. This is a billiard ball. It is smooth, hard, and rolls across the table. Players strike it with a cue stick. Careful aim helps score points. Lawn bowl. This is a lawn bowl. It is specially shaped to curve while rolling. Players roll it across a smooth grass green. The goal is to stop it near the small target ball. Racquetball. This is a racquetball. It is a bright rubber ball that bounces very high. Players hit it against the walls with rackets. Fast movement helps return every shot. Snooker ball. This is a snooker ball. It comes in different colors with special point values. Players use a cue stick to pocket the balls. Planning each shot is very important. Paddleball. This is a paddleball. It is a small rubber ball used with a paddle. Players hit the ball back and forth. Good timing helps keep the rally going. Pool ball. This is a pool ball. It has colorful numbers and a shiny surface. Players use a cue stick to hit the balls into pockets. The goal is to pocket the correct balls first. Squash ball. This is a squash ball. It is a small black rubber ball. Players hit it against the front wall with rackets. The ball bounces quickly during exciting rallies. Skee-Ball. This is a skee-ball. It is a smooth, round ball used on a special game lane. Players roll the ball up a ramp into scoring rings. Higher numbered rings give more points. Bocce ball. This is a bocce ball. It is a large, smooth ball used outdoors. Players roll it as close as possible to the target ball. Good control helps win the game. Croquet ball. This is a croquet ball. It is a hard ball used on a grassy field. Players hit it with a mallet through hoops. Careful aiming helps complete the course. Pickleball. This is a pickleball. It is a lightweight plastic ball with small holes. Players hit it over the net using paddles. The game is fun, fast, and easy to learn. Bull, Pétanque. This is a bull. It is a shiny metal ball. Players toss it toward a small target ball called the jack. The closest bull earns points. Handball, wall handball. This is a handball. It is a small rubber ball that bounces quickly. Players hit the ball against a wall using their gloved hands. Fast reactions help keep the rally going. Freestyle football. This is a football. It is used for amazing freestyle football tricks. Players balance, kick, and spin the ball using different body parts. Practice and creativity help perform impressive tricks. Footgolf ball. This is a footgolf ball. It is a standard football used in the game of Footgolf. Players kick the ball toward large holes on a golf course. The winner reaches the hole in the fewest kicks.
Thanks for watching and subscribe.